Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my new tutorial on normal forms. So let's get started. So in first normal form, the rule states that all the attributes in the relation must have atomic domains, and values in domains are indivisible units. So you can see that in this table, the programming, there are two columns, which is course and content. So programming is having the content Java and C++. So these two are forming a group, so which is not allowed in one normal form. So what we can do, we can split these things into different rows. So the first row has programming Java, then programming C++, then web course is having HTML, and so on. So this is reduced to one normal form. So now we will see what is second normal form. Before going on to second normal form, there are two things which you need to know. So first is a prime attribute. So it is a part of primary key. So in other terms, you can say that prime attribute is a primary key, and non-prime attribute is not a part of primary key. So here you can see that there is a table called student project, and in this table the name of the student is dependent on the roll number, and the project name is dependent on the project ID. So this is not in a second normal form. So a table to be in a second normal form, it should be in first normal form, and this thing, the dependency on multiple attributes, is not allowed. So here prime attribute is role, and project ID is not a prime attribute. So to avoid this situation, we are splitting the table into two parts. So first table is student, and the second table is project ID. So by doing this, we are avoiding the situation which is here. So multiple dependencies. So in student, the non-prime attributes are dependent on the roll number, which is a prime attribute, and project name, which is also a non-prime attribute, is dependent on the project ID, which is now a prime attribute. So in this way we have converted the table into second normal form. Now we are going to see what is the third normal form. So for relation to be in a third normal form, it should be in a second normal form, and there should not be a dependency which is transitive. So here you can see that in student info table, the country is dependent on the roll number, and city is dependent on this country. So this should not be there in the third normal form. So to avoid this, we are dividing the table into two parts. So first is student info, where the country and name both are dependent on the primary key, which is role, and nationality we have country and city. So in this way we are dividing the relation, and the third normal form is achieved. So thanks for watching guys. Do subscribe.